today I am going to Edinburgh, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. So if you want to see what Edinburgh is like today on this quite rainy day, then keep watching. So this is my outfit of the day. I've got this long maxi dress and then black Vans, which don't really go, but I want to be comfy. And then I just brought a denim jacket, this Chris, because it's Scotland, so we need a jacket. It's raining, but we're walking to the car and then we're going to is it a designer outlet or just an outlet? A shopping mall. I'm sure it's an outlet. Okay, it's not an outlet, just a shopping mall. Until my heart gives. Okay, so we're here now. It looks really fancy, it looks good. It is an outlet, I was right. I'm gonna try not to spend any money because I didn't have any money, but if there's any good bargains then I'll have to. They just spent so much money in Vans, but it was an outlet anyway, so good prices, and they also had buy one get one half price. So such good deals, and they had really nice shoes. You know, sometimes outlets don't have that nice of shoes, but it was good. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall deep and above. We just went into the Cadbury shop and I got loads of cream eggs because they were like discounted. This is Chris, by the way. Say hi.
I bought a big egg.
He bought. They had loads of discounted Easter eggs, so he got a really big. He just got dairy milk though. Isn't that a bit boring?
Yeah, but it comes to 2 sharing bars instead of just a bunch of cream eggs, which you were buying anyway.
And are you going to share your sharing bars with me? Up here, there's like this climbing thing, and it's so high. That's quite terrifying.
Yeah.
Would you do that?
Never.
Never?
Yeah.
But if I paid you £1 million?
Still not. I'm happy with my life.
So this is where we're going for lunch, and it's a South African cafe, and I'm so excited. Before we sat down, I saw someone with my favourite ever drink from South Africa. It's bright green and it's called cream soda. So now I'm just waiting for my cream soda. I'm very excited. That's the best drink in the whole world. So our food's come, so this is my jaffle and chips, and then this is a bunny chow, and it's just bread with curry inside. Oops, don't know what happened there. Oh, it smells so nice. Okay, so Now Cafe in Livingston. So good. Christopher!
It's good.
It was amazing. I got a little bit wet, so we were in the shopping part and we needed to come back to the outlet where we parked, and they made us like queue because they like reached capacity or whatever in the mall. We were like, we're only going to the car park. So fine. I mean, it really wasn't that long of a queue, but it was really heavy rain, so we only waited like 5 minutes or whatever, and then we realised that they'd let you through if you were in the car park, so that's what we did. But I am soaked. Love Scotland. Right, so I'm very wet now, and we're going to the car, and then we're going to drive to Edinburgh. So are you right there?
No.
What are you doing?
You made me carry a bag.
Oh.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
We're in the car now, so we're officially going to...
Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
We're in Edinburgh now. We're just leaving the train station, and then we'll be on Princess Street, and then we can do a bit of shopping, of course, and go to the castle.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Oh, I'm gonna dip my cookie into my hot chocolate.
Why won't you do
That's a
another
good
bowl?
idea. Have you ordered that?
Do you believe in West?
I thought I just made that up.
Right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it.
No, my uncle just said how many fingers have
Maybe you should calm down.
My
Let's
uncle
do this
said,
again.
How many fingers am I holding up?
Okay, 10 enough. Let's try it again. From the top.
And my mum said 11.
Okay.
So we just did Princess Street, and now we're walking towards the old town because we want to walk up to the castle. But that looks like a long walk. I don't know how long it's going to take us. But yeah, the weather is horrible, but it's fine. It's okay.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling,
That's gorgeous.
we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
Edinburgh is so beautiful, like just all the colours. Oh, I can't deal. It's too nice. There's the castle.
That's a castle.
We've just been here for a little while having a big photo shoot, haven't we, Chris?
Yeah, my feet kind of sore.
We honestly, it wasn't that long of a walk. What do you think?
No, it wasn't. But it's just let me stand around taking photos.
He's just been standing around taking photos of me.
The one time it wasn't when I was looking over the edge, so that's scary.
Yeah, it was high up.
And they don't really have any protection. They just expect you not to be an idiot.
Yeah. Were you an idiot this time?
No, I wasn't.
Leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count.
So we finished our day in Edinburgh now. We're just gonna get the train back to where we parked the car, and then we're gonna drive home. So let's just wait till the sun out.
Let's get out, we can leave this city.
Oh my god, she's still
Drive to the
talking.
open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.
Okay, she's done. It feels so weird finishing a vlog with a mask on, but I'm going to anyway. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and please like and subscribe if you did enjoy it. And I'll see you soon.
Life, I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take